Hi, I'm Jones. Welcome to the channel. Hey, you there? Yes, you. Looking for that final nudge to decide if Vital Protein's collagen peptides powder is worth it. Listen to me. It absolutely is. I couldn't wait to share my experience because it's been nothing short of transformative. Let's talk about this fantastic product. This collagen powder is a game changer. First off, it's been a favorite in the health and beauty world for years, and the rave reviews totally justified. Customers love how easily it dissolves, whether in coffee, tea, smoothies, or even oatmeal. No clumps, no weird textures. It's seamless. Plus, with its unflavored formula, it blends into any drink without altering the taste. Talk about convenient. Oh, and did I mention it's sourced from grass-fed, pasture-raised cows? This means not only high quality, but also sustainability. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, sugar-free, and even Whole30 approved. Perfect for anyone mindful about what they're putting into their body. Now, let me tell you what it's done for me and why I think you'll love it too. Seriously, these benefits will impress you. For your hair. My hair is thicker, shinier, and stronger than ever. Seriously, I've gone from constant breakage to getting compliments everywhere I go. For your skin, fine lines? What fine lines? My skin feels smoother, hydrated, and just youthful. It's like turning back the clock with every sip. For your nails. I used to have brittle nails that chipped all the time. Now, they're strong, they grow fast, and they look like they've been professionally done without any polish. For your joints and bones, here's where the magic lies. Collagen isn't just about beauty, it's about feeling great too. My joints don't ache like they used to, and I feel more mobile and flexible. It's like my body has found a new rhythm. Overall wellness. With 20 grams of collagen per serving, it's packed with amino acids that support muscle mass, skin elasticity, and even digestive health. And can you guess who can use it? Here's the best part. It's for everyone. Whether you're in your 20s and looking to boost your beauty routine or hitting your 50s and want to regain that youthful glow, this product is for you. It's also perfect for active individuals needing joint support or anyone just looking for a simple way to feel and look better. Right? But how to use it for the best results, you wonder? Well, if you want to see real results, consistency is key. And the best way to stay consistent is the habit stacking. I simply add it to my morning coffee and it's now a routine I can't live without. Dosage, stick to 2 to 4 tablespoons daily. That's around 10 to 20 grams of collagen peptides, which is the sweet spot according to research. Timing. Morning is ideal. Mix it into your coffee or smoothie as part of your breakfast. It sets the tone for the day, and you'll love how easy it is to include in your routine. How I do it. Let me paint a picture for you. Every morning, I scoop a couple of tablespoons into my coffee. It dissolves in seconds, leaving no clumps or residue, just a silky smooth drink that's packed with health benefits. Sometimes, when I'm in the mood for something different, I'll toss it into a smoothie with some frozen berries, spinach, and almond milk. Either way, it's effortless and delicious. Here's the bottom line. If you're hesitating, don't. This product works, and it's backed by thousands of glowing reviews and satisfied customers, including me. Whether you're looking to improve your hair, skin, and nails, boost your joint health, or just feel amazing, Vital Protein's collagen peptides powder delivers on all fronts. Trust me, you'll wish you started sooner. So go ahead, add it to your life, and start transforming your routine today. I've left the link below in the first comment of the video. Sure, your future self will thank you. Check it out now. See you in the next video.